Everyone, this is Shabnam here. Welcome back to my channel, The Counseling Corner. Hope you all are doing good. So in today's video, I'm going to just speak about what are the things that I have been doing to overcome or cope up with my post-COVID symptoms. It's been nearly 1 month since I got, I have had these symptoms, but still some of the symptoms do persist, and I think it will take another, few months to completely, heal from there, and to overcome these symptoms. But there are few things which I have been following. I told you in my previous video, as per the advice of my Ayurvedic doctor, and few things because my friends suggested, and few of the things I've been following for years together. So the first thing what I do as soon as I wake up in the morning is pray to God. I do thank God for all that He has gifted me with. Then I practice gratitude. Sometimes positive affirmations, but sometimes I do skip that. After which I do have I do have a glass of warm water with lemon and honey. Followed by I do practice mindfulness. This has become quite regular these days because what I realized is this COVID has not only affected my main body but has affected my mind also. So sometimes I was feeling very confused. I was not able to focus or concentrate on things. So one of my friends suggested this, and now I have been very regular in practicing mindfulness at least 5 to 10 minutes. I make sure every day I do that. So here there is a very nice lawn surrounded by trees, and I could hear the bird sounds. So it is very comfortable here to sit and practice that, as well as I have been doing deep breathing exercise, which I have been doing for the past 2 years. Because after I had surgery, it was there were some complications, and I had breathing trouble I had, and my oxygen saturation also had gone down a lot. So doctor has suggested that I should always do breathing exercise. So for the past 2 years I have been doing that. But once I got COVID, I was not really able to do that because I was getting breathlessness, and I was getting chest pain when I stress or try doing the breathing exercise. But now it's little better. So at least 15 to 20 minutes, yes, I do deep breathing exercise. I have started doing that. After which what I do is that I do sit in the sun for sometimes when it is between 7 to 8, at least 15 minutes I do sit in the sun and expose myself to the sun for vitamin D. Vitamin D is very, very essential to boost our immunity. Some of the reports have already also shown that people who have lost their life due to COVID, their blood test showed that the vitamin D level was very low. Usually for most of the Indians, if you check, our vitamin D would be really low. So that is very, very essential. Even during the treatment of COVID, doctors had suggested me to take vitamin D. So I was taking vitamin D supplements, but here I can go out and I can sit in the sun without the mask. So that is one thing which I do regularly. After that, I take at least 10 rounds around the lawn, right? And barefoot I take, that is I walk on the grass. And that has research shows it has got a lot of benefits. And the reason why I have started doing that is that because I do have severe leg pain, as well as have some problem with my nerves. And it is very good for pain as well as for to improve our nervous system. It is very beneficial, as well as it helps us to relieve stress and make our body as well as our mind calm. So this I make it a regular habit to do every day. The next most important thing which I do is that I go for a walk. So initially I was able to go for a walk at least for 1 hour. I used to walk, but now it is really not possible because I get easily exhausted and I do get breathlessness also. So what I do is that in the morning I go for 15 minutes, I go for a walk, and in the evening again 15 minutes I do go for a walk. So slowly I am trying to increase the duration for my walk. And regarding diet as such, yes, doctors asked me to add a lot of protein to my diet. So I make sure I eat 2 egg white a day, as well as we have chicken every night we have chicken. I take a lot of fruits and vegetables, yes, and at night, yes, 1 glass of warm milk with turmeric and pepper I take. And one very important thing which I take, which I never miss, is that I take the ABC juice. And in this juice what I do is that I put 1 beetroot, 2 carrots, 1 apple, a small piece of ginger, and sometimes I do add even if I have amla also, I do add to it. I put all that in the juicer and then I make a juice, and sometimes squeeze lemon into that, and I have that very regularly. So this is very good for to boost our immunity, as well as it helps to fight the cancer cells. So even people who have survived from cancer, it is very good for them. So this, for the past 2 years I have been consuming this every day, and it also gives a nice glow to your skin. So see, these are the few small things which I have been following regularly to boost my immunity. So hope this information was useful to you, and in case it was useful to you, please do give me a thumbs up. Do subscribe to my channel, The Counseling Corner, and most important is that please do hit that bell icon so that you get timely notifications whenever I post my new video. Thank you so much.